பெஞ்சில் ஒரு முடியல இதுதான் வேலையை பண்ணுங்க இதுதான் வேலை பண்ணுவோம்
Hello, good evening everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
Adani. Okay, good evening, Vernika, Madhuvanti, Aparna. Okay, so many of you have joined. It's good to see all of you. Okay, so let's make, who can show their homework? That's acrylic, we did a homework. Those who have done, they can show it. Okay, I'm seeing. Yeah, so I'm seeing from Aradhana now. Okay, Aradhana நல்லா இருக்கு. Yellow flower and the red flower. Red flowerல இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நிறைய கூட red போடலாம். Okay. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Looks good, Aradhana. Okay. So I'm seeing from Madhuvanti. Orange flower is looking very good. Very good. The buds and the color mixing, everything is good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm going to see from Aparna. Okay, Aparna also very, very good. The yellow and the orange both are good. Okay, good work, Aparna. Good work. Just hang on, somebody is requiring help to join.
Thank you, sir.
I want to share the link to someone who is requiring help. Okay, who else is showing the homework?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, நான் வந்து class work அனுப்பியிருக்கேன். homework நான் பாதி தான் sir
Okay,
complete
okay. Okay, Tejasvi. So I'll see your work. Mithila அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. So I'm going to see from Hamsita also. Okay, very beautiful Hamsita. The lighting is very good for the, particularly for the yellow flower. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. So the variation in tones, right? In yellow, also in the orange. So both are very, very good. Good work. Background also very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. I'm going to see from Aradhana Soninga.
I have done this sketching, sir.
Okay, okay. நல்லா இருக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கு. Those who are not speaking, please mute. Okay, so we are getting a lot of noise. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Aradhana, very good, very good. So Abhijit, I'm going to see from Abhijit. Okay, Abhijit lighting over இருக்கு, but நல்லா இருக்கு actually, very beautiful, beautiful flowers. Hope you are enjoying acrylics. Good, looks good, Abhijit, very good. Okay, so I have received some from the WhatsApp. I'm going to check WhatsApp. So Aradhana, we have seen Tejasvi. Okay, Tejasvi has completed the classwork. Okay. Okay, good, good. So once you complete the classwork is good. Once you complete the homework, you can send it to me, Tejasvi.
sir, I see drawing.
So I'm going to see from the artworks of Mithila, Nithila, and Nandan. Okay. Okay, so this is good. This is very soft. So this is Mithila's artwork. Okay, which is very looking good. The yellow flower can be a little bigger actually, and the white can be applied for the highlights in the stems. But it is good actually, looking good. So I like this. Good work, Mithila. So this is Nithila's classwork. There is a beautiful gray background, so it looks good. For the leaves also, light and dark can be given for the leaves. A flower is looking good. So this is Nithila's. The flowers can be a little bigger, but I like the thin stem. So it is very challenging to draw thin stem. So you have done nicely, Nithila. So Nandan also has done very thin stem, so which is good. The flowers can be a little bigger actually. Okay. Okay, good work. Okay, so we have seen from Abhijit, Tejasvi, and all. Okay. Who else?
Sir, Swarnish have sent in WhatsApp, sir.
Oh, is it? Okay, it's very nice.
Sir,
Just a minute. I'm going to see Swarne's work.
sir, from Bessie, sir.
Okay. Okay, looks good, Swarnes. The flower can be a little bigger actually. Okay. Otherwise, I like the thin stem, which is good. The flower can be a little bigger. So I like the shape and contrast and everything. So it is looks good, Swarnes. Okay, Blessy, yeah, tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show this is a homework done by Akhil at my home. So this is what he has done. So he's added extra flower. There's a pink flower also. Good. The stem has to be very thin. That is the only thing. Otherwise, the color and everything is good. So today, let's get started. So Adavi is back today. Hi, Adavi. So let's do
Hi,
the
sir.
sketching. Okay. Let's do the sketching today. We're going to sketch. I'm going to sketch two trees actually. There's banyan trees which has the roots coming from the top also, right? I have a photo. I have seen a tree in two beautiful trees in Senchi Fort. So that is what I'm going to draw today. So let's see. So how it goes. Some lighting also we'll work on. Okay. So let's do something different. Just a minute. So I'm going to help someone who is trying to join. Then we will start. Just a minute. Okay, those who are not talking, you can mute. Okay, so let me change the camera and let's get started doing the sketching. I'll be doing some erasers also today at the end to make some beautiful lighting. Okay. So some banyan trees we are going to draw today. Let me change the camera now. So last week, I think last week only we did, no, not last week, last monthly class, first class we did portrait. So
we did an elephant, sir.
Yeah, Nitish, tell me.
No, sir, we did an elephant in pencil sketch.
Oh, elephant. Okay, I forgot actually. Okay, good. Yes, you are right. We did an elephant. Okay. Before that, we did a portrait. Okay, so we did an elephant. Okay, so let's make the sketching now. So I'm going to make two trees. Just a minute.
Sir, the video is paused.
So it will be all right. Sometimes due to bad network, it happens, internet issue, but it will be all right. Okay, so let me start sketching. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, let's get started. So there is going to be two trees. Okay, so I'm making one tree here. Okay, so I'm making one tree here. The bottom or trunk of the tree is going to be bigger like this. Bigger like this. So this is going to be a tree, and there is going to be another tree, um, and
Sir, I can't see the drawing.
you can't see the drawing. Okay, Madhuvati, are you able to see it? I want to check with others.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm able to see.
Okay, fine. So Vernika, you need to check your connection. Okay, let's see. So, Vernika, you need to check your connection. You have to connect again, maybe. Okay. Okay. So there is a tree here. I'm just trying. It's going to be a huge tree. Okay, these trees are very huge. And here I did this one. Around some trees, they build a small circular thing. So that is what this is. So here, so this tree, so around this. Okay, so let me start the base of this tree. This tree also something like this, but this side it is little curved in this side like this. Slowly we'll build. There is going to be a lot of leaves, branches, and shadows. All that is going to come. Just start like this. Okay, so let's make, so lots of leaves we are going to make it, and good shadow also we are going to make it. Just a minute, I need to correct something here. Okay, so the drawing looks very simple, but slowly the complexities will increase. So this looks simple. Now, so I'm going to make 2 branches here. So I made a V kind of thing. So there is a right and left, 2 branches are separating like this. Then from the bottom here, there is a branch. This is coming like this, and further it goes like this. So there is a line I have done like this, right? So I'll make one more branch also like this, and one more. So the tree goes. So in this area, we'll be doing some good shading. So here, so I'll be doing some shading later.
Sir, I can't see your screen.
So what can I do? So all are able to see, Varnika. So you have to try connect again. So if not, you have to try with the class video, which I'll be sharing later.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So some lot of good shading we are going to do. I just did one something like this. So there is a one branch. So this huge drawing the banyan tree. So we are going to learn how to draw huge trees. Okay. So I'm making this branch. One more line I'm making this branch. So any tree or branch what you make, so you have to make sure the bottom is quite bigger, and progressively the branches are smaller and smaller. So I made a second line, then look at this here. From here, I'm going to continue one more line like this. So from here, I did one more line. All the shading we'll be doing shortly. So I'm just trying to finish up this tree. Then after that, I'll do this tree.
Sir, I'm sorry I'm late. I had another class.
Fine, okay. So try to follow up from what you see. So we are trying to draw 2 big trees. Okay, so here also let me draw something like this. Here also I'm trying to make a branch here. Some branch like this, and maybe this is good enough. So the basic branches and structures. From the right side, I'm just making one more line. One more line like this. Here I'm making a V like this, and so the tree is getting shape. So this branch, big branch, so there also I'm drawing a line. So in the top, mostly we are going to add lots of leaves and some good shadow also we're going to make it. Just making here another line. So okay, Just maybe I can stop. So this is how these branches and the gap between the thick and thin areas, all that we have to spot and give a good shadow. Finally, I'll be using some erasers also to create some ray of light. So that will be interesting. Okay, so in the middle, I'm just making another structure like this. These big trees have this kind of structures. So this kind of structures, which is darker. So I can give some shading here right away.
Sir, they can be used as birds' nests where birds can build their nests to be safe or like that.
Correct. Yeah. Yes, Vyom. So yeah, even animals sleep there. Birds build a nest. So all that could happen. So such a darker area in this, the right side also it happens, and I'm trying to give a shade, a darker shade here also. Here also, and yeah. This line goes up here. I'm trying to make a smaller branch. There could be some broken branch also. So this, let's say this is a broken branch. It stops here. Then there is a V here. So in this V, I'm giving some shading here. Trying to show depth. There is going to be a lot of shading. Let's see. Let's do all one by one. So there is a shading, and there are some lines also I'll be drawing, directional lines. So here there is a depth. In the top here also.
What are you drawing, sir?
So we are drawing. What is it? Repeat your question.
What we are drawing, sir?
Aradhya, we are drawing trees, big banyan trees. So this is one big tree, and there is another big tree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And all the leaves are going to come in the top. These trees have this kind of darker areas. Look at this here. I did shading like this. Here also I'm going to do shading like this. Little bit of shading. So as I said, there are two things. There is a shading as well as under the directional lines. So this branch, so mostly in the branch, in the bottom area, I'm going to give shading like this. So I've given some shading in this branch.
Sir, after class, can I draw the bird we did in another class on the one of the tree branches?
Yes, very well. So as you wish, you can draw. So that will be very interesting. So at the end, you can find a suitable place and you can place the bird. Okay. Then, so I'm going to give some shading for this branch also. Here I'm giving shading, and here also I'm just giving shading. So it looks like light, light is coming from the right side. So on the left side of the branches, we are giving shading. This also goes up. Um, here also. So there is going to be lots of shadings, lots of shadings. So now the tree is getting better and better. So the right side, there is a branch. So there also, I'm trying to give some shading. Some area inside will be full of shading. So I'm just giving. So this is a not very dark, some medium kind of shading I'm giving. Here I'm giving all. After that, so I can think of giving lighter shading throughout the tree. Maybe I'll do that later. Okay, so after this kind of shading, so I'm going to make the directional lines. Look at the curvy lines I'm going to make. Okay, so you should look at the curvy line. Here there is a curvy line I'm making. Look at that curvy lines I make. So here I just make these curvy lines. Okay, so the curvy lines, they are curved a little bit on the top like this. They're like rings, right? So I make these rings. So generally, if let's say that there is a person standing here, so above his head, all the lines are curvy, like this. Below his head, it will be curvy like this. Okay, so what is the height of the person? Somebody, so that we can decide. So I'm going to make a stick figure. Later, I'll develop this into a good drawing, but right now, this is a person. I just did a line. I did a line here, and I say this is a person, shoulder, and somebody standing here. Okay. So I just did a head. I just did a head. Okay, so maybe a woman holding the broomstick. Okay. So I'm just drawing lines only. So look at this. So it's quite easy to draw like this. Okay, so the important thing that you need to note here is the height of this person. Okay, so above that height, the lines, the curvy lines, what we make in the branches, they curve the upper curve. They curve. Okay, so so below the height of the head, these curves can be lower curve. Okay, they curve. They make the lower curve. But it's okay. So you can make any curve. That's all right. But it is more appropriate to make the upper curve like this. Now tree is getting better and better, right? So this is kind of texture in the branches in the tree. So I am adding lots of these curves here. So in pencil sketching, so you can have beautiful stylish, the shadows, all that you can keep adding, then erasing, and all that is going to happen. Slowly we are going to build a beautiful and complex tree. Okay, so the curve I was making, so I'm going to make in this branch also. I can make the curves here. So above that I'm not doing now, because above this there is going to be lots of leaves I'm going to make. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Now throughout the tree, I'm going to make some light shadows, because my plan is that later I'm going to make the light rays, the whole tree will be under some small shadow. Okay. So very light lines I'm making. Now I'm trying to give shadow for the whole tree. But this is lighter line, okay? Very light. So very light. So very light. The darker area, you can make it more darker. Okay. So there are some darker areas. I'm trying to make it more darker. So I'm trying to make it more darker. So overall, the tone, which is the darkness of the tree, I'm trying to increase a little bit. So this subject is very easy. So probably we can go a little fast. So you will not get wrong. So there is a round structure which is built around the tree. That I made it darker. And from the left, I'm going to give some, there is another small line I'm drawing. Then from the left, I'm trying to give some shading. So I'll stop here. Now, after this, the same way, I'll just wait for a minute. Then after that, I'll start the details of the tree in the right. Then after that, I'll check your works. Then we'll start making lots of leaves in the top, then lots of shadows also. Then finally, we'll make some rays of lights and make it more interesting.
Can we also do leaves fallen on the ground because it's autumn?
Yes, we can do. That's a good idea. But those things we can do later, because I'm going to work on some lots of shadows. See, this is one of the shadow. So like this. And from this tree, the shadows like this. So in the shadows also, I can make it, make some darker, some shading I can give. And this tree in the right, for that also, I'm making this shadow like this. But so yeah, that's a good idea. So definitely I want to make lots of leaves falling down like this. But we'll complete those details later actually. That's a good idea.
Sir, what we draw in the second line?
So this is another tree, but so like this tree also, there are two big branches, but right side, this branch is broken actually. Because so this is also bottom of a tree only. It's broken. So when it is broken, so there is a structure like this, which is a darker structure. So I'm going to shade it, and the broken big branch is broken. So it is getting such a structure. And maybe I can draw something, a small, something is coming out, but it's a broken thing. So I can give some shading here. So I can work on the structure of this tree. So on the bottom, I'm just making a line here. This tree is not having the round cement structure, which is present for the other tree. So this tree is naturally, it is on the ground, and we can think of the roots coming from this tree also. We can think of drawing all that. So that's why in the ending structure, I'm just drawing, making these curves in the end. So here also I can make a line. I'll make another line here. So one more line here. Maybe one more line here. So here I'm going to give some good shading. So in this tree here, I'm giving some good shading. So there are two things required. So one is the shading like this. The another is these curvy lines, right? So these curvy lines, so here it is curving lower curve. Okay. So you hope you understand the curve, which is lower curve and the upper curve. So this is the lower curve. Okay, so this is the lower curve. Okay, then this is the upper curve. Okay, so these upper curves, so I make here actually, because that is above. So we know the size of a person. So if we stand so above our head, it will look like this, but below our head it will look like there will be lower curve. So I'm making this lower curve, and so the upper curve curves like this. Then these two are so there is a shading and these texture curves also. So I make here also here. What's happening to the root? So these roots are sometimes they go a longer way. So in the ground also we can see them. But progressively, like a branch, it goes thinner and thinner. So I'm going to give some shading to the left also. This one small portion I have we have shaded and added the details. So I'm going to give the other one some more shading here. So the other one some more shading here a little bit. So for them also I'll make the curve. So some shading, then curve. All the curves for the texture of the tree. So in the bottom, these four things are there. When they come up, they kind of look at this, they join. So all of these is joining. So I'm just making this the bigger curve like this. So we have to be carefully we have to do, and slowly add the details like this. So we will be able to draw the beautiful big banyan tree.
Sir, please draw slow, sir. Can you wait for 1 minute?
Yeah, this is an easier thing, so don't worry. So you can just go on, because we have a lot of work to do. All the leaves, then you'll have a lot of time. So whatever,
Okay.
yeah, don't worry. Whatever you see, try to just reproduce. It's going to be easy. Okay, don't worry. So I'm just kind of done. So both the trees are done now. If I draw a portrait, then I have to wait in each how to draw eyes, nose details. But this is not like that. But I'll wait actually. So these roots, so roots can also split like this. It's going to make it very interesting. Like a branches, these roots also in the end, they can split like a small branches. So that we can do for one or two, then it will be good. So the line, branch line going up, it is trying to cross the other tree. It is going here a little bit. But in the top, it's going to be full of leaves. Okay, so the whole branch is going towards this direction. We can do another split here. Okay, so I'm just doing one more split. Okay, so some shading I can give, then some curvy lines. So with that, I can finish this. So a little bit, I'll do some shading here. I'm doing some shading here. Then these curvy lines go like this. So with this, I'll just wait for you to catch up. Some shading here. Okay, so time being, that is all. Now, some shading here. So these lines and shadings, the two components that you need to understand when you're drawing this bigger tree. So the lines are these curvy lines, okay? Then shading. So everything you can think of them as simple tubes. Okay, so when you draw a tumbler or a tube, so you give a shading like this, that is all. So we made one big tree, another big tree, but it has one big branch. So other branch is broken. And these trees are having the shadows.
Color. Sir, I put outline in black color.
So why do you do it?
I put outline in black color.
Yeah, do it if you want. It's not needed.
Okay, sir.
So this shadow for this tree, just a shadow happening for this tree also. Okay. So after these two trees, and there is going to be a compound wall. So so I'm drawing a line here. Look at this. I'm drawing a line here. This line, further it is going in the right side. This line in the left side also it is going. So I did a line. So behind these trees, here the line goes here and then further it goes. There is a line and one more line. How tall? What is the height of this? I'm just drawing another line here. So the line goes behind this like this. So when you draw the line after the tree, the height has to be same. You should be able to do it. Don't worry. So this line, when I continue, it is coming here. It is also coming here a little bit. So I did this line.
Sir, I added a mini realistic bird on the on one branch.
Okay, so you made the bird to sit. Okay, good, good. So I'm planning to do it in the end. Okay, so we have only half an hour. So lots of things to do. So let's do this. This is a compound wall. Okay, so I'm going to make a lot of, you can think of brick or you can think of big, the rocks also. The people used to build that. So I'm going to make these lines further. So there is a thin line. I'm making one line, two, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. So I made a couple of lines, some 5, 6 lines. So like this, the other side also I'm making these lines. I'll take the camera a little more closer so you can see this. How do I make it? So I just made these lines. Then after that, just slowly make, so if you make mistakes also, it's not a problem. So look at this, I'm making this, these are rocks. So some, I'm splitting them like this. So I'm making these So this is a one row I have done. So second row in the top, so that also. So I'm making it like this. So this finally will look like a nice compound. When I make the other layer in the top, the first line I make it is in between. If you think, if you look at this is a box, right? So this is a box. In this box, right in the middle, I'm making a line in the top. Okay, so to make another box of rock. So to make it more natural, this need not be uniform. This need not be uniform. The shape can be little big and small. So that will make it look more natural. Okay, so that will make it look more natural. So this is a compound wall made of big stone. And so I can give some light shading, okay, very light shading throughout the stone wall. So throughout the stone wall, I'm making the light shading. So I'm making a light shading throughout the stone wall. I made a light shading throughout the stone wall. So you know how to make this stone wall now. Okay, so I'm making this line darker, the line for the tree. So this I'm making a little darker. So I made this stone wall and the right side also. Right side also, I'm going to make it, here also, I'm just making another stone wall. The continuation of the stone wall, I'm just continuation of the stone wall I made, and this also I'm going to give some shading. So did that. In the top, I'm making another line. And there is a person standing. So you can continue to complete in the left side also. Left side there is a person, but so I can erase. So there is no problem. So I'm just making the line over this person, because wherever needed, I can little bit erase later. So I'm continuing making the stone now. So so it's a simple thing only. Yeah, but it's going to take more time doing that. So do not hesitate. When the idea and concepts are clear, So the lines can flow fast. So not to worry. So that will give a different experience. Your drawing skills will improve. So sometimes we can sketch faster for these simple things. So I did this tone things here also, and so I'm going to give some shading. So the shadow lines also, I'm just completing the shadow lines. So there is a person standing there. We'll give details later, and we can add some kids also running here. So all that we can do later. Haha. Looks like taken some little complex drawing. It's not a complex drawing. It's an easy drawing, but this needs time. So that's the only thing. So do this. So in the top, we have to make lots of leaves. That definitely is going to take lots of time. So definitely it's going to take a lot of time. So let's do it maybe. So look at this, making leaves is simple. I'm just making like this. So leaves also, I'll make lots of leaves like this. Then some shading also I'll give. So the tree branches, we did it to a level in the top. So right from there, you can start adding leaves very closely. So you can make the leaves like this small ovals, and so particularly we can start making near the okay. So maybe before making the leaves, we can in the sketching class, one of the class you have learned how to make the bunches. Maybe we can you can make the bunches, then add the leaves. Bunches, shading, then leaves. The bunches is nothing but big cloud-like things, right? So cloud-like things. I'm making lots of cloud-like things. That's bunches. So making lots of cloud-like things. So I made lots of cloud-like things. Why do I make cloud-like things? Because that helps me to draw, to group the leaves and make good shading. So make that cloud-like thing. Yes, I understand a lot of work today, but so this is
Sir?
the way. Yes, Aradhya.
We have to shade the leaves like 50%, half.
Shade what? Leaves are.
Yes, sir, like half of them leaves.
Yeah, some leaves you can make, but shading will do later. But just let's start with the cloud-like thing. Okay. Then the cloud will shade. Then after that, we'll add the leaves, small, small leaves. And the
Okay,
leaves
sir.
will make
Sir, I accidentally instead of doing the bunch cloud-like things, I did all of them like the realistic leaves, and this is how it turned out. This is how it turned out.
Okay. So we need to fill it, but I'll see what you have done. Okay, okay. Okay, this is good. But we are going to, it's a big trees and I'm going to fill more. Okay, in the cloud, first we need to give shading to the cloud. So I'm going to tell you that. Then after that, I'll add the leaves. Okay, but that's the approach. Good. So I made the cloud. So like in each cloud, I can give a shading. So look at the cloud in the middle. So I'm going to give some shading to the cloud in the middle. So I'm giving shading to the cloud in the middle. I'm just shading one side. See the left side I'm shading. So I'm giving shading to the left side. First shading I did. Second shading, I'll make some area darker. The leftmost area, I just made it darker. The same thing I am going to do for another smaller cloud next to that. So another cloud next to that. So the cloud in the top also I'm going to do lot of shading. So in each cloud, the right side, I'm leaving it. There's a bunch of leaves will be like this. So the right side, those leaves are in the highlight kind of. Those in the left are in a darker area. This shading and adding leaves going to take lots of time. So maybe you should continue. You can continue.
Sir, is this good?
So what is that view?
I did the leaves a different way of the leaves actually connected by the U shapes, and it's a bunch of leaves and branches.
Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Okay, so I'm giving lots of shades. Also, I'm going to add lots of branches, and so I'm just thinking what we can do. So we have only 15 minutes more, but let's see what we can do.
Sir, can we extend the
Yeah, those like to stay, they can stay, but within that, I like to complete some minimum things. So in the top, I'm giving lots of shade because it's a big tree and there is going to be roots also coming from the top. So, and some rays of light. Okay, so in the top, I'm just identify few clouds shaded. Rest of the area also, I'm just simply giving some shade. I'm just simply giving some shade like this. So I've done lots of shading. So I've done lots of shading. So look at the cloudy like thing, some area lighter, some area darker. So now, as I said, you have to add lots of leaves like this. So that's going to take lots of time. But even after the class, you can do it. Even after the class, you can do it. I want to do only this area because here, so this is not even, yeah, the tree is quite bigger actually, you know. So I'm going to do only here and show you the right side because here some roots are going to come from the top and also some roots are going to start from the branches. It's going to come down. So that I wanted to show. Also some light rays. So looks like I've taken some lots of time consuming work, but it is not at all complex. Only thing we need more time. So look at this. I'm just adding these leaves like this. Just keep adding these leaves. So there is individual leaves also you can add. Also you can add group of leaves together, uh, right? Like what Vume has shown. So you can add a group of leaves. Sometimes some places and some places some individual leaves also can add. Some those leaves in the bottom generally you can make them darker. As Aradhya asked, you can make them darker. Some leaves. So nicely we made the bottom of the trees in the top. So you have to show a lot of your patience and add all very nice leaves. Don't worry, just keep doing. So some drawing really they will test your patience and but results will be very, very good, will be very much rewarding. Some leaves you can combine together and you can just make, how do you make, yeah, make like some W, continuous WWs. So added these leaves in the right side, okay. So start adding in the right side. So I'll wait for you. So while I'm waiting, I can do in the left side also, why not? So there are other very simple ways of making uh, the leaves. People will do only the clouds and shadings. So that also people do. So in addition, if you add leaves like this, it's not going to take much time, but that is going to give very good results.
Sir,
Tejasvi?
sir, நான் லீவ் பண்றேன் சார் எனக்கு கிளாஸ்க்கு டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Okay, Tejasvi, good.
ஓகே சார்.
Homework பண்ணுங்க, okay? இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஓவரத்தான் போறோமோ, போய் பார்ப்போம். So I just made all the leaves, but yeah, since due to my experience, I could make a little faster. Good. Then I'm going to continue some shading again. So I just trying to make some area darker, that is all. So making some area darker is very important. Don't worry, you continue at your own pace. Don't worry at all.
Sir, can you little bit zoom the camera and go to the top? Show the leaf.
The leaf chumma appadi podunga Adhavi. You can just make small ovals. So I'll show you this particular area. Look at the leaves. There are two kinds of leaves you can see. Look at the WW mari irukku parunga. So look at this.
Yeah, sir.
As well as WW mari irukku parunga. So those, yeah, that also you can do. Simple leaves also you can do. So two kind of leaves.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, since those are doing the sketching classes, will have also extra homework.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You'll have extra homework. For this also, I'll make some homeworks. I'll make fresh video. I have to make it. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll do it. Then I'll share it on the Friday. Okay, so this is the basic sketch we have done. So I'll wait. So I like to extend for 10 more minutes. Okay, 6:30 instead of 6:30, we'll try till 6:40. So I have not seen your work, so I'll see your work because so the whichever way you make, it will be beautiful and good. Even the shape of the tree, if changes, that is also all right. So that's why I have not seen your work yet, but I'll see all your work when we kind of finish it. So I'm trying to increase the shadow. So I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. Then after that, I want you to look at me, what I'm doing. So now continue doing. Continue doing. So on top, so leaves I made, and some places, some branches will come actually, you know, some places I'm just going to make small branches will come, will show up. So that also, few places I can add, like small twigs. Twigs, they'll come. So that will, and those twigs generally will come from the edge of the cloud. So the starting I made a cloud. So where is the cloud? We hardly see the cloud after a shading, but the cloud helped me to make some places darker and some places lighter. In the cloud, so in every cloud left side I made it darker. And right side there is a highlight. I'm trying to add some branches. Here and there I've added some branches. So don't worry, so try your best. So depth is very important in a pencil sketching. So even you can always revisit and make the darker area more darker.
Sir, I added a bench to my drawing. I even added a person throwing up a ball on the wall, and his dad getting a ladder against the wall and getting it up.
Okay, great. Nice story building up. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now I want to show one technique. So just see all of you. Okay, good. So see all of you. I'm using eraser actually. There is good. This is a big tree. Okay, only small portion we are seeing. That tree roots are coming from the top, and this being a banyan tree, there is a lot of roots are going to come. So I'm going to add the roots. So I'm using the eraser now. Eraser now. I'm going to look at this. I'm just making a line here actually, and twice I'm erasing. I'm creating a line here actually, right? I'm just creating a line here. So I'm creating another line here, another line here. So I'll make another line here, one more line. So these 4, 5 lines I'm making because the big roots are going to come from the top for this tree. Okay, so I made some 5 lines, maybe one more. Okay, so look at this. After making, I've just erased. Then look at this. I'm in the pencil. I'm making this root. This is like a branch. This when it comes in the bottom again, it splits into, and it makes this structure, right? So in between this also I can make a line. So this also we have to do some shading, but not required. Not required. Some roots can be. This is one root after erasing. There can be another root, but this is a quite darker one. So I don't have to erase. I just simply make this darker root. Okay, so here I've erased. So there I'm just making root. This root is descending. The tree is quite big, and from the top it is descending. So I made this root. Okay, so in between I make another dark root. In between, so I make another darker root like this. Some can be bigger and some can be smaller. So I erased a few places just to make some lighter roots. Next to that, there can be a darker root. So I just made couple of roots. So I can make more roots. They're darker. Let me complete this. So here also I have done, and here also I have done. So these roots are coming down like this and making this more beautiful. So I'm just making some darker roots also. Okay, some branches are on top of our head or in the paper, such a big tree. So these roots. Now roots not only come from there, they also come from, there is a branch in the left, and there is from these branches also they'll start coming down. Okay, look at this here. I'm making a darker root coming down from this branch. There is one more. So like this, we can make many. And there is a branch in the left we made long back and during the starting. So there also I can make lots of branches or no roots coming. So this root is the one thing I wanted to show. We can add more roots. So I'm adding more roots coming from the branches in the top also. Okay, and shading I keep doing, keep adding more shading, because I want this place to be darker like this, because next thing I'm going to do is the rays. So I'll just in 5 minutes or 2 minutes, I'll complete the drawing. Then after that, I'll wait for you. So look at this, between the trees, I'm going to make, some light rays, that is using the eraser. I'm going to erase in, look at this. So already we have drawn, but do not worry about it. So I'm going to erase and create a light ray. Look at this. Here I'm erasing. This erasing is going over this tree. Look at this. I'm erasing here. So I'm erasing another line like this. So this is like light rays. Light rays are coming. Look at this. I'm erasing here as well. Between the trees, these light rays are coming like this nicely. Okay, so these light rays are coming. So here also there is, I can make one more ray here. So the pencil sketching is very, very flexible like this. So one last thing, I'm going to add some two people here. They are playing. Uh, they are playing. So what is their height? It is going to be like this, this. So these two kids are running. The two kids are running. So the leg goes like this. Okay, so they are at an angle. They are inclined. That make it look they're running. And the feet is like this. So always you can draw with a stick figure. Then after that you can increase the thickness little bit for the legs and the body. You can increase the thickness. So this is a boy running. Can be his sister. There is another girl I'm going to draw. Smaller height. For body, you can always make the rectangle. The skirt you can make like this. And she's also running.
Sir, I finished. I have a class. I can show and can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Yeah. See, I'm just running. So they're holding their hands together actually like this. They're holding their hands like this and they're running. Okay. So just a minute. So I'm going to finish. Then I'll see all your works. So these two are running like this. So that's all. So you can start with the stick figure and it's all in shadows and I have done like this. So these two are running and their shadow also I'm working on. And here you can add lots of grasses also. So this landscape is kind of never ending. So you can keep adding lots of details. So the leaves and grass, adding all the grass, it's going to take a good amount of time. So I'm just adding some grasses and this is looking good. So I added one person here, long back. So I'm going to complete. There is a lady standing here. Standing here with a broomstick. Generally when they broom and all this, the lights, the dust comes. Lady standing with a broomstick and the dust, when the dust comes, so the light appears like this. So I'm adding lots of grass, then some fallen leaves also. Where is the place for my bird? So I have to make. So I'll decide later. So like this you can draw. Maybe you can add, or it is sitting on the compound wall here and watching the drama. Okay, so my bird is sitting on the compound wall. Yeah, it takes time. I understand. So looks like so. So I wanted to give you challenging works generally during these classes. That's why it is we are stretching a little bit. So these monthly classes will always will push your limits. That's the idea. Okay, you can show your works. I know it takes time, so I'm going to wait for another 10 minutes. You can show.
Sir,
Yes, I'm seeing from Madhavi. So many are showing, so that's good. So Madhavi நல்லா இருக்கு, very very good. நிறைய leaves போட்டிருக்கீங்க, fantastic. Darker leaves, lighter leaves. இந்த ட்ரீல வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஷேடிங் கொடுக்கணும் ஆக்சுவலா. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு, good work. Good work, Madhavi.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I'm seeing from Vyom. Okay, light rays are coming from the top, so that is good. That is good. So there is a ladder also I'm seeing. Okay, other details I'm not able to see. So if possible, please scan it and send it to me, or take a photo and send it to me. Okay, so I like to see in detail. It looks like there is a lot of story you have made. Very interesting. Okay, very good view. So I'm seeing from Abhijit. Okay, Abhijit, shadow la pottittinga. Shading is good. Yeah, the tree வந்து and the clouds you can add more leaves and that's going to be good.
Okay.
நல்லா இருக்கு, very very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm seeing from Blessy. Okay, Blessy. Okay, nice lines. Those kids are playing. Looks good, Blessy. Sun also present. Oh wow. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so add more leaves and give some good shading also. It's going to be good. Okay, good work, Blessy. Okay, who else is showing? Okay, Aparna is showing. I'm seeing from Aparna, very good work, Aparna, nicely done. The cloud, மேல வந்து we are doing like a cloud, அதனால some places dark ஆ இருக்கணும். The cloudல வந்து left side I made it dark, so try to make some more darker. Okay, and it will be good. The compound wall also we have to give shading. Okay, but otherwise very good drawing, Aparna, very good drawing. Okay, Madhuvanti I'm seeing. Okay, Madhuvanti, leaves எல்லாம் size குறைச்சிட்டீங்க. Okay, so class அப்புறம் I want you can add it more actually, then it will look very very good. Okay, so you can see these two trees when you go to Senji Fort, okay, which is not very far from here. I like the compound wall, kids running, எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு. You have reduced the size, but so the nice shading you have done for the trees and looks good. Good work, Madhuvanti.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Michelle. Michelle, எல்லாமே ஷேடோல இருக்கு. All your sketch paper ஷேடோல இருக்கு. So I'm not able to see. Yeah.
Sir, should I make it dark and send it to you in WhatsApp?
Yes, yes. Send it to me.
Okay.
I'll see. Okay, I'm seeing from Manav. Okay, Manav. நிறைய leaves எல்லாம் கம்மியா இருக்கு. நிறைய leaves போடணும். ஆமா, அது பொறுமையா போடுங்க, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். Light rays also looking good. Okay, leaves நிறைய போடுங்க. Cloud போட்டு shade எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். Okay. Did you join little late?
ஆமா.
Okay, okay. சரி, okay, good. I'm seeing from Aradhya. So Aradhya showing something else. Some other, okay, Aradhya, I'm seeing very light. Okay, the trees are good. So most of you have reduced I like the bird sitting there. Most of you have reduced the size of the leaves, but that is good. Okay, so looking good, Aradhya. Very nice. Okay, I'm seeing from Kirtana Sri. Okay, Kirtana Sri, very, very nice. No compromise. Lots of leaves and good shading in the top. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Kirtana Sri, very good.
Sir, who are finished, they can leave the meeting or what, sir?
Yes, you can leave the meeting. If finished, you can leave the meeting.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Sir, with more shadings, we told that.
Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Adavi. Very good. some more shading பண்ணிருக்கீங்க நல்லா இருக்கு.
Thank you, sir.
Good. நிறைய leaves எல்லாம் போட்டு சூப்பரா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க ஆதவி. Okay, very good. I'm seeing from
Thank you, sir.
Mithila. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. அந்த காம்பவுண்ட் நடுவுல மட்டும் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. You have to complete shading for the trees also. You have to complete. Okay, darker, stronger கூட யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Okay, Mithila, good.
Thank you.
So there are lots of very good pencil sketching you can do by using erasing technique. Those fallen leaves also we can add. There's a lot of fallen leaves you can add. So that will make it look good. Okay, good. The root,
Sir,
darker root also.
I did one more drawing, sir.
So we'll see later, Adavi, not now. So I'm going to see from Aradhana. Okay, Aradhana, நல்லா இருக்கு. ரெண்டு ட்ரீக்கு வந்து டார்க் லைன்ஸ் போடணும் ஆராதனா. ஓகே, இந்த ட்ரீயோட பிரான்ச் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து டார்க்கர் லைன்ஸ் போட்டா சூப்பரா இருக்கும். ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு, நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. எல்லாமே லைட்டா இருக்கு, தட் இஸ் த திங். ஓகே, டார்க்கர் லைன்ஸ் போடணும். டார்க்கர் லைன்ஸ் போட்டா இன்னும் நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே, குட் ஒர்க்.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, the Hamsita is showing. Okay, Hamsita, very, very good. The darker lines between the branches எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு. இந்த curvy lines எல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ரொம்ப தின்னா போட்டிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அப்புறம் ட்ரீல வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் you can improve the shading. But shapes எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு. Okay, shapes எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு. Lots of leaves you have done. I like the roots, lighter color, darker. இது ரெண்டுமே பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, which is good. So in the rays also good, shading also good. So இதுக்கப்புறமே we can give some shadow to the compound wall கூட. இன்னுமே வந்து each stoneக்கு நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ஷேடிங் கொடுக்கலாம் ஆக்சுவலா. That will improve the overall thing. Okay, good work, நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Can I use that? So,
You have finished, you can leave.
finished it, sir.
Okay, so I'm seeing this is Akhil. Akhil has done this nicely. Good work, Akhil. இங்க ஆள் எல்லாம் காணோம். எஸ்கேப் போயிட்டாங்களா? இனிமேல் தான் வரணுமா? எஸ்கேப் போயிட்டாங்க. இந்த darker lines between these you have to draw darker line. இந்த லைன் டார்க் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. Between these you have to draw darker line. Look at this. Full root வந்து டார்க்கா போடணும். ஓகே, சில ரூட் வந்து ஷேடோல இருக்கும், டார்க்கா தெரியும் அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகே, ஸோ டார்க்கர் லைக் திஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த ஒரு இது பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகே, குட். இந்த ஷேடோ எல்லாமே யூ ஹேவ் டு இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆன் இட். இன்னுமே யூ ஹேவ் டு கிவ் குட் ஷேடோ. ஓகே, okay. We have seen from anyone else are yet to show. Hesavardhini, I like to see.
Sir,
Yes, Madhuvanti.
sir, can I read, sir?
Yes, Madhuvanti.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Hesavardhini. I'm seeing from Hesavardhini. Okay, nicely Hesavardhini is building. So after finishing, send it to me. The tree bottom is looking nice. Cloud is really nice. அந்த cloudல வந்து நல்லாவே darker shade கொடுக்கணும். Okay, so to the left side. So nicely the cotton balls kind of thing is coming up. Some clouds can be bigger, some clouds can be smaller. Then add all the leaves. Even after adding the leaves, you can give some more shading and make it darker. Okay, nicely it is coming up. Good work.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Adavi, Aradhana, Hamshita, Abhijit, Hesavardhini, Sophia, Sana. Okay. Okay, bye everyone. See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye bye.